Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for January 25, 2021. If you look at the market, overall it's still bullish. It's a little bit lucky this morning, but the market be able to come back and reclaim the moving average. So technically they are still bullish. As you can see here, the Dow they drop, they try to go lower, but the buyer step back in and they push it back up again. So Dow is kind of weaker compared to the other index, like Russell. It's very strong and it's still very strong to the upside. So that's why you're looking for a lot of small cap stock. It's still doing very well. And the technology stock it also slipped out this morning, but they turn around and put it back up to the higher. So technically, the momentum is still in the upside. Look at the SB 500. Look at the Spider SBY right now. It's still very strong. They put it back down right to the support and buy a step back in, and then continue to put it back to the upside. Semiconductor it still hold up pretty well, even though they pull back down a little bit, but the demand is still high there. So it looks like a lot of stock is still holding very tight, like Applied Material, AMD, so KLAC, they're still doing extremely well right there, as you can see. And Lam Research, it also hangs very tight into this level there. And if you look at the overall market, the oil is still try to break out. Okay, they go sideways. If they be able to hold up, they try to put it up to the upside. And the gold is still go sideways. Okay, they have a tough time to break to the resistance line here. And bond it try to put it back up this morning when the market they slip down and then they try to run up, but they will hit to the resistance very soon here. Bitcoin is still going sideways, as you can see. As long as it's still below the downtrend line here, they're still in the sideways correction right now. So if you are in our live trading room this morning, as you can see that when the market open, we already know that where the market heading to. So when the market open, we will go to jump in and take a quick trade there for 10 points. And after that, market hit to the sell zone. They turn around, they break a support, and then the institution they chase or the stop loss down to the buy zone. When it hit to the buy zone, they be able to stabilize and turn around and put it back up to the top at the end of the day. So I be able to look at here and then jump in and take a quick trade here for the short-term day trade. So total net profit for today $2,576. And so let's take a look on a lot of stock that we looking on the weekend. You see that the bio sector is still very strong. Continue to put it up to the upside. Energy sector is still sideways, but look like they try to find a support. Also, the financial sector it also stabilized here, and then look like the stimulus money will be ending with the agreement very soon here. So if that's the case, then a lot of stock will try to find a way to put it back up, especially the bank stock. Okay, the healthcare is also still very strong with a high demand on the healthcare and COVID and those kind of stuff. So the healthcare is still a strong sector to look for. And the bank, a lot of good bank stock like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Okay, look like they be able to find support and looking for rebound. The housing, real estate is still doing very well. After breakout, they continue to put it up to the upside. And you can see that a lot of stock in this sector today, they still try to hit the home run, like Toll Brothers, okay, KB Home, those guys still jump up, MHO, okay, you can see that they will continue to put it up to the upside there. And the bio sector is still pretty strong, as you can see here. Okay, they continue to up a lot of stock in this sector, like GILD, Gillette. Okay, it still try to find momentum to put it upside. Amgen, as you can see here, also put it strong to the upside. Johnson, okay, EGN. So this is those stocks at bottom out and try to find to put it to the upside. Electric vehicle, clean energy is still doing well. Okay, this morning they shoot it up and then they slam it out, and now become a dozy now. So tomorrow it will tell you they'll be able to get up or not. Okay, and when the market open, you can tell same thing for all the renewable energy. It's still doing well. And if you have been watching my weekly market forecast, so I analyze HF. They're going to announce the earning this week. So you can see that before the earning, a lot of stocks that already try to put it back up, like Apple, okay, TSLA, Tesla, they all break out, okay, even before the earnings. So let's see, Microsoft, okay, Facebook, okay, they still have little room there. Johnson Johnson, as you can see there, and AMD, okay, they all are turning positive today, and they Mastercard, okay, and Visa, it also stabilized at the buy zone. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. So let's see where the market heading to. Overall, the trend is still bullish. So we will stick with the uptrend until they finish the final move here, and we can see when the people will pull the rug out, and then we'll let you know. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more how to understand the financial market, how to trade, okay, by using modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumb up. Take care, everyone.